We're going to walk you through the 6.7 Cummins intake horn right now. We get a lot of questions on what's all included with the kit.
The intake elbow itself outflows stock by a ton and all the competition. Spent about a year on the flow bench trying to get this dialed in perfectly, and it's the best flowing one on the market now by far. We've got our grid heater delete plate right here. It's going to get rid of that expensive known problem on the Cummins of that grid heater bolt falling into your motor. So we delete the grid heater, we relocate it with a coil style heater on top right here. Never going to come apart and take out your expensive motor. We've got all new OEM Cummins gaskets right here. Some new fuel lines for that #1 cylinder to clear around the elbow itself. We do a little bit extending the wiring for the grid heater relocate. We've got our wire harness extensions here and some new EGR gaskets and a throttle valve gasket. With it in the truck over here, you can see turnkey kit includes everything you need to replace your factory intake horn and grid heater.